Minute 10 to go, kick the afterburners on. Welcome all busy people to the 10 minutes of burpee challenge. I'm doing a bunch of 10-minute video series. You can chunk them into 1, 2, or 3s to make it 10, 20, 30 minutes long, but they are brutal. You only want 10 minutes of exercise. I'm gonna make it as hard as I can on you. So today, on the clock, 10 minutes of as many burpees as you can do. You're already warmed up and you definitely know what you're doing. If not, go back to my other 50 free workouts. Spend 100 days getting through that to educate yourself and then jump back into these nasty ones. That's it. We go to the clock and that's the workout today. Okay, right before we get going, yes, I'm mic'd up. I'm in the trenches, sweating and grinding it with everyone like I've said before. Keep your sweat towel and water bottle nearby. It's a 10-second lead into the 10 minutes and then we just go for it. Keep score, keep the count of reps in your head. You can always come back to these 10-minute challenges and see if you can squeak out more, but don't red line. That's my advice to get going. And we start in 10 seconds. The rest I can try to talk as we go, but there won't be much talking. Starting in 5 seconds, you can go full, quick burpee to floor or walk them down. So I drop down, hit the floor, chest to floor, warm up, and just a tiny little hop, tiny little clap, get into a rhythm and get going. Don't go so fast you kill yourself and you're just standing around. The mic's gonna backfire on me. If you want to walk it down, nice and easy, nice and slow, walk it back up, no problem. We're already a minute in. Don't do a strict push-up at the bottom. That'll burn your chest up. Tiny jump, tiny clap. I'm big 6'4", I got a long way down. You might be shorter and be able to rip a ton more reps than I can. 2 minutes down. $20 for me. Starting to breathe a lot heavier, heart's picking up, chest starting to fire. 3 minutes down. Yoga mat for your knees if you need it. Just keep a nice steady rhythm. Whew. 6 minutes to go. Gotta hear that clap every little baby jump. Time to clap. No. Whoo, yeah. Now it gets tough. Halfway through. Ooh. Were you pushing too hard? Or were you right on track? Woo. Apologies if a YouTube ad pops up in the middle of this. Just take it as a quick water sip break. On a 10-minute video, I can't control where they're going to show up. If you want a little motivation and inspiration, watch my best buddy Sean Chilton doing his 12-hour burpee Guinness World Record video. I'll put a link to it. 10 minutes is nothing compared to 12 hours. $240 to go. I think for 2 hours at the end, he had to average 6 burpees a minute. Can you start to pick it up now? Do you have any more juice or steam? This mic is very annoying. Minute 40. Minute 10 to go, kick the afterburners on. Floor slippery. "30 seconds. And that was 90 for me. And that's the afterburner at the end, squeaking it. So no, we don't have to do planks, we don't have to do squats. You do 10 minutes of something, that full body compound, and it's over. So if you want to keep going, recover your breath and pick another 10-minute blaster. But they are brutal. And that's how it's gonna work. Whew. If you want me talking and coaching, go back and do my old 50 workout series. It's over 100 days of exercises for you. Go check it out. Otherwise, I'm done signing off. See you back for the next one. You sleeping, Bruce? You sleeping?